Welcome to New Year's Day and the first day of Veganuary. I'm going to run you through a real quick version of how to unload the refrigerator and throw something together in real time. This took me about 20 to 30 minutes, and I affectionately call it garbage pasta because we had some fresh pasta left from the night before. So I cut up a few mushrooms, which you can see sizzling in the pan. And I love my wok. I leave my wok on the stove all the time. I chucked in an onion, tore out some Rouse marinara sauce, and cut up some garlic. Just a little bit of everything that I could find in the refrigerator. Spinach, prepped a little bowl of vegetables, and you can use anything. If you have sweet peppers left over, anything like that that's just laying around in the fridge that you need to use up. I love the Via Life brand of cheeses, which just flew by in the video. But literally, cut it all up, leave it on a plate, saute it up with a little olive oil or some vegan butter. There's the pasta from the previous night, which was fabulous because New Year's Day, after spending a late night watching the ball drop, you really don't want to have to spend a long time in the kitchen. So just chuck it all in the pan. Literally. I'm going to throw it in. I'm going to saute it, let it warm up a little bit. Throw some sauce on it. You know, if you like Brussels sprouts or you want to do more of a mise en place kind of celery, onion base, you can really do anything you want to this for an easy meal. And I separate the mushrooms. We have some mushroom haters around here, so I leave them to add, and I crisp them up in the pan so they're kind of like another texture when you throw them on top of the pasta. But a lot of this family doesn't like my mushroom habit. So again, just toss the little pasta in there with the onions and the sauteed garlic. Put as much or as little in there as you like. Sometimes I throw in some soy milk and kind of make it a cream sauce. There's so many variations you can do just with really whatever you have in the fridge. It's a no-brainer meal, and it's vegan. So I cut up some spinach, which is going next. A little more sauce. A little more sauce. Why not? Get it all nice and slurried around. There, the spinach goes in, and I'm just tossing it with some tongs. You can take 2 forks to it. The wok is really hot, so you just have to kind of just watch it so it doesn't burn. You can see the mushrooms are all nice and toasty on the left. And I'm gonna toss it all here in just a second into a plate, actually a big bowl. And you can portion it out, weigh it, however you want to eat it, because it is a little carb heavy, but there's some good veggies in there. I'm gonna use that Via Life Parmesan cheese and just kind of use the micro planer to kind of put a little bit on top. And boom, you are done. And I made quite a bit of it so that if you were still hungry the next day for the same thing, you could just chuck it all in the microwave, grab your cheese, and you've got a dish just like you did the day before when you made it the first time. Enjoy.